Happy Friday, and welcome to another vloggy vlog. As we're coasting in the most beautiful New York City, Brooklyn, and it's warm, super warm. Today is going to be damn near 90 degrees, and I'm actually headed to Poconos. That's right, far, far away. You gotta be joking me, bro. That guy's got a 360 camera on. That's pretty cute. Alright, so let's just tuck in. I have a little over 200 miles to go. I'm basically going on the highway until I get to Jersey, and then I'm gonna tuck in and go on the back roads. I guess maybe I'll go on the highway. I don't even know what I'm gonna do yet, but we're gonna send it. It's gonna be fine. A little bit of traffic starting up. It's 10 a.m. on a Friday. Well, 10:30. Took me a little bit long to start. I was gonna leave at like 9. I was gonna leave at 8. I was gonna leave this, and that, and then in the end, we left now, which is fine. Get ahead just a little bit, just a tiny bit. I don't think anybody's going to be too upset with my awful move. Awful move. 196 miles on a highway, but we're taking a couple of back roads, so. Right now I'm going to go over Williamsburg Bridge to Holland Tunnel. I've lived in Williamsburg for a long time. I've been here for like 13 years now, and before that I was in Bushwick, Fort Greene, Crown Heights, you know, Lower East Side, even damn near Ridgewood for a second there. And Williamsburg is the longest I've lived in one place. We're good. Let's lock in. Got a long way to go, so let's fucking start getting there. Thank you. No crazy action today. I'm just gonna relax. Oh, it's perfect weather. It's fucking pristine right now. It's like 80 degrees right now. Almost too warm. But on the highway, it's gonna be nice. Going over Williamsburg Bridge. Like this turn, and then we just pop into Manhattan. It's telling me we should be expecting some cops right over the bridge, and that's okay. After which we're gonna go straight to Holland. We're gonna go on the right here. I like the outside. Up my jacket a little more. It's kind of flapping against my helmet. Little bumps. Got my Krieger bags, got my Krieger 40 and a 10. Yeah, my buddies and I, oh look at the city. Yeah, my buddies and I rented a cabin in Poconos for 2 nights. A nice little spot by a river. So that's where I'm headed now. bro. Gonna go to the left. Guess that's where we gotta go. Get ahead of this guy. Just like so. Speed cameras ahead. We observe all speed cameras, obviously. They're sacred. I just paid $50 the other day for a speed camera, so we don't play with that. I just need to get out on the other side of Jersey, and things will be okay. Things will be fine. This guy might move, this guy might not. Texas, that's why. I'm a little bit stuck here. This dickhead could really move now. Really, dude. There's a Popo on the side. I don't see him, so I think we're gonna be alright. Go this way. We'll get ahead a little bit. Just a tiny bit. A lot of traffic. This is fine. It's Friday. We're okay. So we're chilling. The earplugs are nice. I'm using Eargasm today. I usually do Happy Ears, but Eargasm is pretty good. All these straps everywhere. I don't think that anything's gonna get caught in the wheel or anything, but I don't like long straps. I gotta trim my Krieger straps. Alright, we're about to send it. Let's go. Speed limit, because there is indeed a little speed count. No, we'll go straight here. This is okay. Cute little monster, or scrambler rather. And now we're on Delancey, Lower Manhattan, Chinatown to the left, Uptown to the right. Not Uptown, but Lower East Side and all that. Holy shit. Well, Holland Tunnel is a little bit impatient. What? Maybe my bike is on fire. Who are you honking at? My biggest fear is something's falling off my bike and somebody's honking at me. There we go. Nice and straight. Nice and straight over here. There we go. Get ahead just a little bit. Boy, these folks. They're fucking waiting for Italy, nerds. Italy's this Italian grocery store by Mario Batali, the guy who lost his reputation in terrible scandals. But yeah, it's basically like an Italian supermarket that sells random shit. It's nothing extremely special, just a little bit overpriced and whatnot. How we doing? 97 miles of gas. We're fucking golden. Golden. This kid's got a stool and an iPad. Adorable. All tourists. Look, every person here is a fucking tourist. Oh boy. Broadway in Manhattan used to be my stomping grounds. I used to enjoy this area quite a bit. There's a lot of grocery stores, fashion stores, and other cute stuff. I used to walk up and down. PacSun, still around. Holy shit. I used to walk up and down here and just fucking, you know, shop for clothings and other things. Hold hands. I walk up and down Harlem blocked, iced out watch. Cops think I'm selling rocks, pulling me over to see if I'm drunk, but I'm sober. You wouldn't fuck with me if you're driven over. Listen, Columbo, I know your money moves slow, and what you make in a year, I make in one show. That's Big L, obviously. I was so such a long red light, I forgot what the hell I was doing. Like that, we made it to Holland Tunnel. Was it like 5 minutes? Not even 10 minutes? Who knows? It was a pretty quick little send. Do you guys want to see Holland Tunnel? How long it is? Sure, I'll show you. And after that, we're just gonna chill out. 192. So we got 2.1 miles. Yeah, I'm gonna get like 30 miles away from New Jersey from this whole tunnel situation, and then I'm gonna go back roads, and it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be great. Holland Tunnel, baby. Bike is getting warm. Back roads, coasting, cruising, looking at farms. That's why it's necessary to get on the highway here and just get. Trying food. Enough to make you fall asleep, this little tunnel. Still got a while to go. It's a long boy. I see the sunlight. I see the sunlight. Might make it after all. Now, just like that, we are in Jersey City, New Jersey. Welcome, welcome. Hi, boys and girls. I'm gonna talk to you a little bit later. I'm gonna hang out with the Jersey folks here, and you know, get into character. We got quite a ways to go still. I'll turn the camera back on when there's something exciting. Alright, boys and girls, thank you for watching this little jolt from Brooklyn to New Jersey.